Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my OBS recording setup. My name is Akshit and this is my YouTube channel where I upload videos about programming and I try to explain it in a very simple manner. So let's just get started, and here I'm just going to show my screen. So this video I created it because I was getting some comments on my channel which were saying me to go ahead and create a video on OBS. So that's why I've created this video. As you can see, I'm on OBS right now. So basically what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to first of all show you my settings. So if I just move my webcam off there, so basically just click on that settings option, or you can just go ahead and click here, file and settings. So I'm just gonna click this option, so settings, let me just click that, and then that opens up the settings menu right over here. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is in general right over here. My language is obviously selected English, and then the second thing is my theme. So my theme is accurate. So the next thing is whenever I start up OBS, it will actually check for updates. So if there are new versions of OBS available, it will like pop up a window saying that there's a new version of OBS available. Do you want to install it or not? So that's what that does. And so this is just like whenever I'm starting streams, it'll just show me a confirmation, and even when stopping them. And it'll automatically record when streaming, and then keep recording when the stream stops. So that's that. And then now let me just scroll down here. Okay, I think that's actually in general. So here in the stream, there's really nothing here. I haven't really changed anything. So in output, next thing, so I'm going to switch over to recording. That's where I normally go. So as you can see, the recording type is just set to standard. It's just normal. And then the recording path, it goes to my videos folder. So after I record every single video, including this one, it'll go into that folder. And the reason that all of this stuff is disabled is because I am actually recording right now. So if you're not like recording on OBS, this stuff should actually be enabled. And then I believe I haven't changed anything here. Yeah. Okay. So next thing in audio, so here I haven't changed anything. So all of this is set to default. I've just disabled that. And then this is my microphone that I'm currently using, and then that stuff is just disabled. So after that, monitoring device is just set to default. Okay, hotkeys, all of that should be good. And now in video, yeah, I don't think I've changed anything there. Common FPS value, so it's like the FPS that you want to record on. So you can see down here, that's my FPS right now. So right now it says 30 FPS for me. So the next thing in hotkeys right here, so I've just got for pause recording and unpause recording, I have a Control-Shift-Z. So whenever I click that, it'll actually pause the recording if it's already like recording it, or if it's already paused, it's going to unpause it. So that's what that does. And then quick transition cut, it'll just do Control-Alt-C, and then we'll do that. So the main scene, so this is the screen. So as you can see here, the main, right? So there are different scenes inside of OBS. So I have a main scene and a webcam scene. So I'm going to show that later. So for switching to the main screen, I need to click Control-Alt-F. And then for switching to the webcam, I need to click Control-Alt-W. So the webcam scene is just like, is just fully a webcam. The main one is just like my screen and my webcam. So that's what it is. So I'm going to scroll down here. So this is for muting and unmuting desktop audio. Okay, even the mic is there. Okay. And then OBS Ninja, I'm going to show you what that means later in this video. So in advanced, I believe there's nothing here. Yes. Okay, I'm just going to click OK. And what I was talking about is this right here. So 30 FPS. You couldn't actually see it because my webcam was hiding it. So I'm just gonna move that back down. And then the next thing is obviously scenes. So the main scene, as you can see right here, is just a like view of my screen. So it's just a view of my screen and my webcam. So if I go over to sources, so this is what I've added right over here, OBS Ninja. Again, you'll see what it is later in the video. And video capture device, this is just my main webcam on my computer. Right now I'm using a phone to capture my webcam. So this I've just gone ahead and hidden it. So I've just done that, and if I wanted I could just delete that, but I prefer just keeping that just in case I want to get it, like quick access to it anytime. So after that, there's display capture. So this is my actual screen. So for adding all of these, you just need to click that, and then you can add different stuff. So video capture device, that's for your computer's webcam. And then there is, let me just go up here, display capture, that's your screen, so you can add both of that. Now the next screen, the webcam, right? So if I actually switch to this, you guys cannot actually see my screen. So the only thing I've got here is just OBS Ninja, just my webcam, and my OBS Ninja and my computer's webcam. So if I actually click on that, it'll transition to that scene, and you guys won't be able to see my screen, so I don't want to do that. So the hotkeys, you remember that, right? So if I just click the hotkeys, then as you can see, I can actually switch to the scenes. So that's really good. I don't want to always have to like come to OBS and just like click on each and every single one of these scenes, right? So I've just set up those hotkeys just to make it a little easier. And now the next thing that I'm going to show you after all of that is how you actually install OBS. So right here, just search for OBS Studio, like so. So I'm using Firefox as my browser, but obviously you can use whatever browser you want. And now obsproject.com is the official website, and then you just need to click on Windows right there. And then obviously Firefox will ask me if I want to install it, but I don't really want to do it. But it will actually ask you if you want to do it, like install it, and just click yes. If you're on Chrome, it should just start installing down there. So because I'm on Firefox, that pops up. So as you can see, I'm using OBS Studio version 27.0. So that's how you basically install it, and then this is how you set it up. Now let's move on to the next section, which is my actual webcam, right? So this is what you're seeing on the screen right now. That's my actual webcam. So I'm going to show you guys how I actually set this part up. So it's using something called OBS Ninja, which I'm actually going to show you guys right here. So I actually closed Firefox, so let me just open it back up. So let's just wait, and there we go. The reason it's slow is because I'm recording. So just leave that, and right here, let's search for OBS Ninja. So this is basically what I use for my webcam. I'm going to click on that link. It's obs.ninja. So that's the official website for this. And now basically what you need to do is, so now the next thing that you want to do on this website right here is, so I'm just going to show you in this video how you can create a reusable invite that you can open the link on your mobile, and then with that link you can actually share your mobile camera to your stream or video or whatever you're doing, right? So you just want to do create reusable invite, and let's do just video test or something. Yeah, just give it a proper name here. I've just given it video test because, well, we're just doing it for the video, right? So now we can just generate the invite link, and now you want to send this link to yourself or your email on your phone, right? So you just want to copy it and then send it to yourself, and then you want to open that link, and then you want to click share your camera. There will be an option right there, and then just configure the settings for that, whichever camera you want to share, all of that stuff. And then after that, you see this, right? So we're just going to copy that, and then here in OBS, wherever you want your like webcam to be, there you just want to go ahead and, so let's just go into sources here, and then just click this, so the plus option, right? And then where is it? So you just need to add a browser, and then just name it whatever. So I'll just do obs.ninja, and then make source visible, and then just do that. And now right over here, you want to paste that link right over there, right? And the height and width, just configure that, and then just click OK. And then after that, your webcam should actually be here. So right now I'm not actually going to do that, so I'm just going to discard that, and then this I can go ahead and delete. Yes, and there we go. So now it's normal again, so that's good. So I'm just going to show you how I configured this right here, so my webcam that I'm currently using, right? So here in properties, so I just right clicked and then I click properties. And now I know this looks really weird. That isn't really how my webcam looks on like the main video. So what I've done is I've just rotated it so that it becomes like a horizontal, right? So right over here, this is the URL that I've got, and then the width and height is just the default, and then control audio via OBS, I've done that. Refresh browser when scene becomes active, I've done that too. So yeah, that is what I've done right over here. So I'm just gonna click OK like so, and that's how I've set up my webcam. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.